Hi, welcome to Cloud Tech Bucket. In this video, we're going to show how we can configure Commvault Active Sync. So here the concept is we will have a DC Commvault server and another server will be a DR. So whatever configurations backups are in DC, the same configurations and all those metadata will be in DR. And the primary copy of my client system will be in DC and the secondary copy will be in the DR. So during the fail or any disaster situations in active side, so that we can get the data from the DR side. Okay, so let's get started. So I have two servers here, as you can see, DCCS and DRCS. So I already made this Windows Server 2022 installed, and necessary IP configuration, host name and domain, all those stuff are done. So let's get started. And my package is 11.36, which is latest version. Okay, agree, click next, and install package on this computer, and then we'll choose advanced selection. From here we will choose CommServe and CommCell console, and most important, CommServe Failover. So the CommServe and CommServe Failover, these two is the mandatory package for CommServe installation. I mean the active site installation, and rest of the things, as you can see here, I have selected CommCell console, and another thing is CommServe web console, so that all the component is in this server. But if you have a big environment, then it's recommended that you install your Commvault CommCell console or the web console to different server. But in my case, it's a small environment, so I'll choose all those options here. Now click next. It will analyze the prerequisites. So if any packages or any stuff need to be installed, it will give us the notification, and then we will install it, and then we'll retry it. So let's wait for it. Okay, so it seems all good, so we'll choose this is an active node. Now click next. Here I will choose the default location as C drive. Click next. And for Commvault data directory, it's showing F drive, so that's fine for me. And SQL engine, so I will choose C drive. If you want, you can install different location, but that's fine for me. I have enough space at C drive. And CommServe database on C drive, that's fine. So disaster recovery, it's always recommended to use network path, but if you want, you can also use your local path. But remember, network path is always recommended. So in my case, I don't have any network path for now, so I'm choosing local path in my another drive. Click next. I don't have any proxy service, so, and also if you have Outlook content, then you can install this. Okay. So now this is the summary, the package which will be installed here. So it's fine, and then as you can see, we have those required package to be installed. Now let's wait for it. And once again, from the database, to use MongoDB. Okay, that's fine. Click next. Now it's going to install all the packages, so we'll wait for it. Okay, it's installing SQL. Okay, so installation done. Comes the display name. So my display name will be DCCS. That's fine. And this is my host name. That's correct. Click next. So in my case, we don't have any things. So it's a new setup. We'll create new database. Click next. Username, email address, and password. Then I will click next. Okay, now it's installing CommServe database. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, instance 2 for DB. Okay, we need to create process manager. Click next. So here I want to make differentiation by SQL. Next. Then CommServe information. Here we'll provide the FQDN, which is this CS. Click next. Okay, so we will use credentials for now. Next. Okay, installation complete. Now click finish. So this includes our DC Commvault server. I'll use username. Password. Okay, it gives us message for license and registration. We'll do it later on. So our active server configuration is done. So here, if you go to Start menu and at Commvault, you will see Commvault Command Center, then Commvault CommCell console, Process Manager, and Commvault Failover Manager. So let's see what's under the Process Manager. And you will be able to see all the services which are here and installed here. So as you can see, VSS provider is turned off, so we'll turn it on. Okay, and then if you go to this failover process manager, okay, here you will see this Commvault client tools. So here we will make this BSS service provider to start. Okay, so all the services at our primary site is off. Now let's get started to our DR node. And DR node, I already copied the package also. So I'll click here as administrator. Okay, language is fine. Click next. Agree. Install. Then advanced selection. Like the primary site, we'll select CommServe, then CommCell console, CommServe Failover, and the OIP console. Like the active site, we'll install the same packages to the secondary site. Now click next. It will install the required package. So here we will choose This is standby node. So remember that this is secondary side, so we'll have to choose standby node. Click next. Default installation location is fine for me. All those components will be installed. That's fine. Click next. It's going to install all the agent and stuff. Let's wait for it. Here, the dear server name, DRC is okay. That's fine. Click next, and here we need to enter the CommServe, which will be our primary site CommServe. Next, choose credential. Click next. Click next. Okay, data directory is F drive. SQL is fine. Content store C drive. Okay. Okay. So for DRS CommServe, we will name it SQL for a SQL instance. Okay. Next. So the installation is completed successfully. You can click on finish. So this concludes the standby node installation. So now if we go to Commvault process manager on the services, all the services will be off on the secondary system, because once we will make the secondary node to active node, only that time all those services will be up. And for client communication, here we have this default client communication and client manager. This service will be only up in DR node. Okay, thank you very much for watching our video. On second part, we will show you how we will configure the rest of the things and how we will integrate the clients and then fail over the CommServe from primary to secondary side. So hope we will see you on next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.